Hi there, welcome to Tripcart channel. Today I'll show you how to add accommodation to your tour packages using Tripcart. Most tours already include accommodations, but here is the thing. You can take it to the next level. Offer single supplements for travelers who prefer their own room or upgrades for those who want a more premium stay. When you offer accommodation options, it provides flexibility and convenience to the travelers. They can customize their experience to fit their needs. And for you as a tour operator, it's a big win. Upselling accommodations helps you increase your revenue, offer more value, and make your packages even more appealing. It is quick, easy, and a great way to grow your business. So let's take a look at the demo of accommodation. In order to see the accommodation feature, we need to go to the checkout page. So this is the demo site. So let's go ahead and check the accommodation on the checkout page. So we click on any dates. It will take us to checkout page. And as you can see on the checkout page, here is the accommodation option. So when a traveler is trying to make a booking, they will see the accommodation options. You can offer different kind of room. For example, a single room. You can add short description about the room. If you want to add images, you want to add more details, you could add more detail as well, and they can get a detailed overview of the room. You can set a price, and travelers can select the options based on the number of people traveling. You can also offer twin rooms, double rooms, you can offer upgrades, and so on. So let's see how it works when a traveler is trying to check out. So let's assume 3 travelers are traveling. So they will select the number as 3. You can see here, it provides guidance for room selection for the 3 travelers. So out of 3 people, let's say one wants to get a single room. They select the single room, and you'll notice the price is reflected on the price calculation. Now let's say 2 people want to travel together and they want to go with the twin room. So 2 traveler. You'll notice the cost is 0, and the reason the cost is 0 because the cost has been set 0. If you're offering accommodation along with your tour packages and there's no extra cost if people are sharing room, then you can set the price at 0. In that case, the travelers will not need to pay extra while booking the accommodations. However, if you want to give an options for upgrade, like here, they can select that options for 2 people, and you can see 4-star upgrades, and since there are 2 people's, 1 room into $150. So, or if they want to go with 5-star upgrades, they could do that. So this is how accommodation feature works. Travelers who want their own room or they want to upgrade their accommodations can use this feature to enhance their experience. For you as a travel operator, it is a great way to increase your average order value and increase your revenue. Now let's go ahead and add accommodation to our tour package. For this, we'll go to dashboard. Let's see our tour. So this is the tour we have created. So you can see there is no accommodation feature added yet here. So for this, we need to go to tour and create accommodation first. For that, we need to click on accommodation. So no accommodation option has been created here. So we are going to do that. Let's click on add room type. You need to add the room type, the number of guests in the room, description, and if you want to add more detail, you could also do that. So let's go ahead and do this. I have already prepared content and I'm going to copy paste from here. Copy, paste. The number of guests in a single room would be 1. For description, let's add this. If you want to add more details with images and text, click on add details. Here is some text that I've already created. Let's add an image first. Let's go ahead with this, insert image. I could add text. If you want to add more images, let's save it. Let's add more room types. Twin room for 2 people. So let's save this now. You might have noticed that we have not set the price yet. So the price is set on individual tour. On the global label, which is here, you create all kind of room that you offer and you set the price in the tour. So now let's go ahead and add the tour in the accommodation and then set the price. So for this, we'll go to all tours. We already have created a tour, so let's click on here. If you're offering activity or single day tour, you will not see the accommodation options. Accommodation option is only available if you're selling multi-day tour. So don't panic if you don't see accommodation options in activity or single tour because they do not require accommodation. So now let's go ahead and click on accommodation. And you can see all the room that you created, they are shown here. Now let's read what the description says here. The price you set here is for the entire room. However, on the website, the price is displayed per person. For example, if you set the price as $200 for a twin room, the website will display as $100 per person. So you need to set the price per the room and it will display according to the number of people it is. For example, let's say if we set twin room price as $100, then on the website it will show $50, but that will be per person. So which means for 2 people it will be $100. So let's go ahead and set a price for this one. So let's say what we have set here. So $100. If you offer the twin room or the double room with the tour package itself, you can set the price at $0. If you do not offer the room with the tour package, you can set the price that you want to charge. In this case, we assume that the accommodation is included in the tour package, so we'll set the price at $0. For 4-star upgrades, let's add it $150. And for 5-star upgrade, we add $200. Let's update this. So it has been updated. So now let's open the tour on the front end. Let's choose a date. And you can see the accommodation options are available here. Let's select 3 people for the booking. You can see it provides instruction for selecting 3 travelers. It has all the rooms, single, twin, double, 4-star upgrades, 5-star upgrades, and so on. And if I click here, I can see the details about the accommodation. Now, if I select 1 and I select 2 travelers, the first room, it charges certain amounts. Since the price set for this one is $0 because it is included with the accommodations, it doesn't charge. However, if I select 5-star, it shows the price here and it is added in the calculations. If one person tries to book the accommodation for 2 people, it gives the message that this accommodation requires 2 travelers. Please add 2 travelers or choose another accommodation. So this way, it would also guide the traveler to select the right kind of accommodation required by the number of people they're traveling with. So this is how you can upsell accommodation along with your tour. This is a great way to enhance your customer experience, at the same time generate extra revenue and grow your business. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know by commenting below or contacting our support team on our website. Thank you.